Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna do a nail review. So basically I have this gel kit and I have different colors and all that kind of stuff. Not sure what kind of color I'm gonna go for today. Probably gonna go for like a Christmas color. But over here, here's all my colors. Some of these, the actual black ones with silver, came with the gel kit, and I'll link the gel kit down below in the description box. And I really need to know if you guys like me talking through videos or like a voiceover. It's really helpful to know what kind of content to create for you guys. So anyways, we have these little toenail type of separators. We have the light right here. It's really cool. And this I'm not going to use. I don't really have a whole lot of that left, so we're going to put that to the side. This is what I've been using lately, and it works really well. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'm going to show you and talk you through how to do gel nails if you happen to have a gel kit or anything like this. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so what I'm doing in this video is just basically showing you how to get off the gel manicure that you already have on and how to apply new ones. So right here I've got the gel polish we're going to be using today, and this is the red. It's a soak off gel polish, and this is the color that it's in. You can see that, and it's by just on here says gel polish. So right over here is some little clip-ons for your nails, and you put you actually just put like a cotton kind of ball on the top of your nail, and you let it soak through until the actual acetone of it takes away the gel polish. So over here alright, right here is the top coat, and you'll do this last. And this is the base coat. This is going to be the very first thing you do with your nails. And I've got 5 cotton balls over here set up, and I'm going to actually split those in half because you don't need that large of a cotton ball on your finger to make it work. And this is the little light right here. And over here, if I need these to kind of like smooth out the top and say like the gel polish isn't coming off that easily, that's a great way to do it. Right here is the very last step. If you happen to have like a little residue on your nail or like a stickiness, this is the best way to get it off. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. The very first step to all of this is just taking off the polish that you previously have. I actually have gel polish on, and I have regular polish that I used to patch up when I had some chips earlier this week. But yeah, I have some clips right here, and I just soaked like a cotton ball full of 100% acetone. And I'm just going to let it soak until the actual gel nail polish falls off. I will go ahead and warn you, the actual polish may take a couple of tries. It just depends on how thick you actually applied it before. But no worries in this. It just takes a little bit of time, and just know that. And I know it looks awful right now, but this is just the process that it takes.
From the same branch and leaves, wild and free, living here in harmony. so fast. All time.
Okay, so once your nail is completely done and you've got all the previous polish off, which in this case you're going to already go ahead and apply more of the classic red to it, so it won't be that important to get every bit of the red off. It would, depending on what type of polish the next polish would be. Say if it was blue, you want to definitely get all the red off, but in this case you don't have to. Alright, something else you can do is you can use like a cuticle remover or whatever you want to do. That's actually something I do. I didn't show it in this actual video, but I put like a cuticle gel and then I put my hands under hot water and I just cleaned up my nails a little bit, but as you can tell it is stained a little bit. But now we're applying the base coat. So I'm not going to talk as much throughout the rest of the video, but yeah, this is it's pretty much a simple kind of thing to do. You just want to make sure in between applying the base coat, you actually cure it with the UV light, and then you also want to do that for the regular polish and the top coat. And then once you're done with that, you're going to take an alcohol kind of swab and you're just going to clean it up. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and let the music play, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.